Hi guys! For today's video ay nandito tayo sa Eastwood Mall and nataong may pet blessing. Kaya since kasama namin si Piper, ay isasali na rin namin siya dun sa pet blessing. So, ang registration ay free. Kailangan nyo lang i-scan yung kanilang QR code at mag-register. Then, padadalahan kayo ng confirmation code na ibibigay nyo sa kanila in exchange of a voucher na pwede nyong ipalit ng treats after ng program. So, ayan. Ito yung entrance ng event. Maraming mga stall for dogs and dog owners alike. Yan, kung dog lover ka, sobrang mag-i-enjoy ka dito dahil sobrang daming breed ng dogs na makikita nyo. May mga iba't ibang klaseng pusa din. But it's mostly dogs. Ayan. So, first time naming makaka-attend ng ganitong event. Luckily, meron since we decided to visit Eastwood this Sunday. And ayan, nataong ngayon yung kanilang pet blessing. So while waiting for the program, actually the program was already started. It was hosted by Kuya Sho Suzuki, if you know him. And may iba't iba silang mga programs and guest dogs. Yan, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga stores na nag-o-offer ng kanilang mga products for dogs. So, naglakad-lakad muna kami while waiting for the program. And ayan, may nakita kaming kalahi ni Piper. O diba, ang cute, ang haba. Guest din pala nila yung corging si Dalbong. Siya yung recently nanalo sa isang international dog show na corgi na mula sa Pilipinas. Ayan yung kanyang owner. And ayan, nagagawa sila ng dog tricks.
Sure, we're all so curious, no? I mean, first of all, congratulations. Thank you for making everybody proud. I think that deserves another big round of applause. Grabe talaga yung achievement na yun. I want to start with this question. Saan po galing yung inspirasyon sa pangalan niya? Bakit Dalbong?
Actually, ang tayong nag-aas sa amin, bakit Dalbong yung name. For your information, Dalbong is from Korea. Nabili ko siya nung baby siya sa South Korea. And yung Dalbong na name came from action stars sa isang K-drama. So that's why Dalbong, because yung character na yun is very strong, very manly, and yung parang happy yung character niya doon. That's why Dalbong yung bigay na.
5 PM, nag-start na yung pet blessing. So ayan, ang daming nakapila for the pet blessing. Sobrang dami ng cats and dogs, guys. Nakakatuwa. And then after like 10 to 15 minutes of waiting in line, it's Piper's turn to get blessed. Ayan na si Piper. O, di ba nagulat pa? Okay, so after ng pet blessing, may mga treats silang ipinamimigay. Ito yung ilan sa kanilang mga libreng treats and may fashion show pa after. So that's our experience for 2023 pet blessing dito sa Eastwood Mall. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.